Online tool, Broken Link Checker. Fairly self-explanatory. It looks for broken links. So we'll put in a website for, in this case, we're going to use Google, and that's an HTTPS because that's accurately what they are. We hit checker and it prepares the results. It's scanning their website for all their links. And the return, there you go. Google actually has one bad link. You have many, many good links. Now this tool is clearly good for diagnostics. It tells you what's going on in your site and what you need to fix. The more things that are not working, like this one, that just looks bad on your site. So this tool is really good.